Does your new website need to look really good? Does it need to stand out? Does it need to attract new customers? Does it need to promote those products or services that you want to have available today? Well, I'm going to take you through the possibility of sources of designs that could be really appealing. These designs are designed for a platform called WordPress. My name is John Fairest, and I'm going to take you through the journey into a couple of areas that may well help. WordPress has the ability to provide us with designs called themes. In this instance, you can see here in the word appearance, we see the word theme here. We can also see in this instance it is active, whereas in this particular option here, we can see a live preview, but we would need to click on this button here to make it active. Do you see much when you look at this? Not a huge amount straight away, but let's take you on a little bit of a journey. If I take you to our themes here, this is the Astra Themes selection. And we have a variety of different themes that we could actually use. And the beauty of this is they are designed to actually work with Elementor, which is the software that we will be looking at. Now, when I first opened this up, I said the word was Astra, and I'm going to show you just one of these images here. I'll look at the Brandstore selection to give you an idea of what you would get if you were using this particular area. So you can see this is DNK there, and this is DNK here, and we can see sliders that can be used, that can be edited. We've got our images that can be edited. We've got our images, prices and categories of men and women that can be edited. And we have things like the shipping, quality, offers and secure payment options with information down here. When we're editing, we can actually change this section here, footer as well, along with our own different social icons. What does the item look like when it's opened up? Well, when you actually have a page, you will see the variety of different items that are available, how you can actually zoom in, and also have your descriptions, pricing and the opportunity to add to a cart. Our cart being visible here as a solution. But Astra's not the only option that's available. If we go to our theme section here, we can see a variety of areas, including Elementor here, and the option to look at the kit library. The kit library is a very useful area because, as we can see here, we have a kit library for Elementor. Again, a wide variety of different options that can be used to provide some quality designs. Again, designed for Elementor, and you will see the beauty of this in the sense that we can look at the image in our desktop, tablet and mobile options. So if you're looking at a ready-made design, the ready-made design can be edited from a design template like this, with some work put in. We've got our career section again. We would have our own content available, so the lorem ipsum would be edited to actually provide the content accordingly. The family law side of it can again be added to actually provide quality information to meet those needs. Does it take long to install? No, these will take a matter of minutes to install, and that's the beauty of using this particular area. We can actually edit the footers and everything else. This is an Elementor Pro option. So we have a number of different things like blogs, to our portfolio, to our simple website, and possibly, very importantly for many, the idea of the online store as well. So a popular one, the sports one, the local gym, and it really stands out. It's quite striking, and I've used this myself on a number of different designs for businesses. Again, fully editable to meet our needs. So when we're looking at our theme, looking at our design, we may have a number of options that might suit our requirements. The basic Astra here, you'll see, we edited to produce this, completely different from the design that was originally installed, and this is work that took a period of time. So folks, if that's something you're interested, let us know. My name's John Fairest. Thank you, especially if you need a new website. So I'm hoping you found that of some interest. If you did, I'm providing a booking and appointment system here on the QR code and our telephone number. Prices start from £199. Ladies and gentlemen, if we can help you build that basic few-page website to the e-commerce system or booking system that you're after, then we're here for you. My name is John Fairest. Look forward to speaking to you soon.